Question number 27. Carol will use the 2 bolts shown below to assemble a book cart. How much longer in inches is bolt A than bolt B? So obviously we are comparing these two. Okay, your key word here is longer. How much longer? Let me give you an example here. Let's say I'm 6 feet tall, okay? And you are 5 feet tall. Now, if my question to you is, how much taller am I compared to you? The answer is 1 foot, okay? I'm 1 foot taller than you are. Mathematically, how do you find that? You do 6, which is my height, minus 5, which is your height, and the answer is 1, right? So it's the same thing we're doing here. We're comparing these 2 bolts, and one of them happens to be 2 7/8, and the other one is 1 1/4. So we're going to need to find the difference between the 2 numbers, and that's obviously a subtraction, okay? So let's subtract these 2 numbers. So we're going to do 2 7/8 minus 1 1/4. You need to change them both to improper, so you're going to put 8 as a denominator. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 7, it's 23, minus 4 as a denominator. 4 times 1 is 4, and then add 1, it's 5, okay? So these are my 2 improper fractions that I need to work with. What's your least common denominator for 8 and 4? It's 8. This one happens to be an 8, so don't touch it. I need to change this one to 8. I multiply by 2, and I'm going to multiply by 2, okay? 23 stays right here, minus 10, and the answer is 13/8. Okay, so 13/8 happens to be an improper fraction. So let's change it to a mixed number. So 13/8. 8 goes into 13 how many times? 1 time. 8 is your denominator. Multiply 8 times 1, which is 8. How much do you need to get to 13? Which is 5. Okay? And your final answer is letter C. So we're going to need to circle letter C, and that's our final answer.